Hey there, welcome back to Techful Things. Ever felt like you're missing out on some YouTube videos, especially those with mature themes? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock more content on the YouTube app by tweaking a simple setting. And stick around till the end, because I'll share a bonus trick to access even more videos from around the world. Let's dive right in. First, open your YouTube app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. This is where your account settings are. Next, from the menu, select Settings. Inside the settings, tap on General to see the app's general preferences. Now scroll down until you spot Restricted Mode. This feature is designed to filter out content that might not be suitable for all audiences. But if you want unrestricted access to YouTube's content, go ahead and turn this setting off. We're not done yet. Go back to the main settings menu and tap on Location. From there, choose any country of your choice. This step is super useful because it tailors the content YouTube shows you based on the region you pick. By doing this, you can discover videos that might not appear in your region's feed. And just like that, you've expanded your YouTube library. Now you can enjoy a broader range of content, including videos that were previously hidden from your usual recommendations. Bonus tip. Here's the bonus I promised. After changing your location, try refreshing the YouTube app or even restarting it. This can help push new recommendations faster and reveal even more hidden gems based on your new region. Pretty cool, right? Got any questions or want me to cover more hidden YouTube settings? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our quick and handy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.